students, in last lecture I already discussed about what is S relation and what is the positive S relation, negative S relation and zero S relation. And we already solved the numericals based upon the speed, velocity and S relation. But now we have to do some numerical, unsolved numerical on the page number 31. Yes, first of all, first numerical you see, if 1 meter long pendulum of time period t 2 seconds, 1 meter long pendulum on earth, yes, pendulum, 1 meter pendulum, the length of pendulum, let L1, when the length is L1, time period is T1, their length is given 1 meter long pendulum, then time period given is 2 seconds on the earth. If length is L2, so time period is T2. When you change the length, you know about the formula P is equal to 2 pi under root of L upon G. L and T directly proportional. When L change, T also change, time period also change. See the numerical, if 1 meter long pendulum has time period 2 seconds, first numerical, what should be the length? What should be the length when you change the time period to 4 seconds? Yes. See student. Solution of this one. First numerical. First, you know when time period is T1, so length is L1. On earth, the gravity always same, G only. This was the first equation. When time period is T2, then length of the pendulum is L2. G always same. Yes. Divide 1 and 2. P1 upon P2 under root of 2 pi under root of L2G L1G. 2 pi cancel. P1 upon T2, then under root. You know when under root like this, up also down also, then you write the whole under root. Keep in mind. Yes, keep in mind. For example, when under root a ki power half only, b also a ki power half only, then you write like this, a upon b full power half. Now, under root come on L1 upon L2, L upon G, L2 upon G. G cut. How it is cut? See there. L1G, take it 1. L1G divided by L2G. When you solve it, when you change the divide into multiply, then reverse, cut. That's why that this one formula comes. Keep in mind, this one formula comes. Yes, very easy. So here you have to write what? See there. L1G, L2G, G cut, then T1 upon T2 under root of L1 upon L2. This was the result. Now you have to put the value. Keep in mind, now you have to put the value. How you put the value? See there. Formula is what? T1 upon T2 under root of L1 upon L2. Put the value. Time is the T1 is the 2 seconds. Here time is the 4 seconds. Second cut. 1 by 2 on the 2 table. Under root. L1 1 meter. L2 you have to find out. Up to there I think so you understand. Now come on the next one. See there. So this one equation is there. Squaring both sides. When you square on both sides, then under root of this side cut. Why? Because under root become half and outside 2 is there, like this. 1 by 4 L2 meter, cross multiply, then L2, that was answer is a 4 meter. Answer is a 4 meter, squaring both sides. First one, time period is T2, T1 is a 2 second, T2 is a 4 second. Then you have to find out the L2. First one length is 1 meter. Here T1, T2, 2 second, 4 second, 1 by 2, L1 you T1, L1 is a 1 meter and L2 you have to find out, squaring both sides. And it was very easy. Now come on the second numerical, student. See the second one. Yes. A circle. You have to draw one circle like this. This is the A, B, this was the center, or this was the C. Now see numerical. A circle of radius 10 centimeter. So radius is circle of this one 10 centimeter. This also 10 centimeter. Or the total diameter is a 20 centimeter. A particle move from A to B, A, C, B, A to B directly. Along the path A, C, B. What is the distance travel? First one is the distance travel. Total distance travel. You know distance travel, this one only, this one. So total one that is the circumference. So distance travel along ACB. Circumference upon 2. Why? The full is the outer boundary is the circumference 2 pi r. You take half ACB, semicircle. So you take half. Circumference is a 2 pi r. You have to divide it with the 2. The answer is a pi r. The pi value is a 3.14, or you maybe take 22 by 7. 3.14, then r 10 centimeter. Open this 100, 31.4 centimeter. Very easy. Now we have to find out the next one. Displacement. Displacement. Shortest path. How they reach A to B directly? Direct A to B. AOB. AOB means diameter. Keep in mind. Diameter is a 2r. R is a 10. 20 centimeter. So displacement is a 20 centimeter. Directly. Shortcut. Shortest path covered by the body. Displacement. Now come on the third numerical. A pendulum swings. Very easy numerical, student, if you know the formula and the value. If you know how we have to put the value in the formula, you are able to solve very easily. A pendulum swings back and fro. Pendulum swings. A pendulum swings 20 times in 34 seconds. You have to find out the time period. Time period always for one oscillation. One time oscillation. You have to find out for the one. 20 time 34 second. So one time you have to find out. Which thing you have to find out? Second time. Which thing you want to unitary method here use? You have to find out the time period. So time period on the right side. You write like this, 20, 34, not 34, 20. Keep in mind. So here you write 20 time, take 34 second. One time 34 by 20 second. 10, 17. So here answer is the 1.7 second. Keep in mind. 1.7 second. Very easy, student. Time period you have to count for the one oscillation. How much time? For one oscillation, 1.7 second. Now come on the third one. This one the third one numerical. Now come on the fourth one numerical. Very easy that one, student. Fourth one numerical. Find the initial velocity of car. Initial velocity. One car is there, initial velocity u, you have to find out. Of the car stopped. It means stopped means their final velocity 0 meter per second. Stopped after time 10 seconds. By applying the brake. By applying the brake, it means retardation is there. The retardation due to brake applying, acceleration given minus you take retardation decrease minus 2.5 meter per second square. If second square it means acceleration is there. If a meter per second it means velocity is there. So see there V, U, T, A. Four parameter variables are there. So which equation you have to use? U is equal to V is equal to U plus AT. Put the value 0. You have to find out. Yes. Minus 2.5 meter per second square, T value 10 second. So here U, this one minus plus minus 2.5 meter per second square into 10 second, second cut. U 2.5 into 10. This numerical value come together. This one behind. U here the 0. 0.10 से 10 का 25 meter per second. This one come that side, so U come 25 meter. This one negative, this side positive. 25 meter per second initial velocity. This one the fourth one numerical, student. This one the fourth one numerical. Yes, I think so. You understand. Now come on the fifth one numerical. Very easy that one. Yes, I already said these numerical on the worksheet also. Now come on the fifth one. Fifth one. A body travel 30 meter. First of all, body move from A to B, then B to C. First of all, 30 meter in 2 seconds. And next, 40 meter in 5 seconds. Next one. Find the average speed. Average speed formula you know. Total distance covered by the body upon total time taken. So you have to put 30 meter plus 40 meter upon 2 seconds plus 5 seconds. So 30, 40 meter common. 2 plus 5 S common, 70 upon 7, 10 second. 10 meter per second, sorry. Speed always in meter per second. This one meter, this one second, meter per second. Very easy numerical, student. Now come on the sixth one numerical. Sixth one numerical. Sixth one numerical. A stone dropped from the tower. One tower is there. From here, the stone drop. Stone coming down from the tower reaches the ground. Time period taken by to reach to the ground is there 5 seconds. And calculate the velocity with which it hit the ground. You have to count the V. Already told when you throw the body from up, freely falling body, so initial velocity always a 0. Initial velocity always a 0. Their gravity always know 9.8 meter per second square. Acceleration. So formula always equation same, V is equal to U plus AT. V you have to find out, initial velocity 0, A value 9.8. When body coming down, it means A acceleration always positive. If away to the gravity, then negative. Time period is here 5 seconds. Open with the here, then you cut. Very easy. See there. Here 5 seconds. Here meter per second. You have to put the answer in meter per second always. So here 10 is there, then cut 2. 4, 9. 49 meter per second is the final velocity. Final velocity, keep in mind. I think so you understand. Now come on the 7th numerical. An express train moves with the speed given. 7th numerical. 60 km per hour. Then for it travel, how far it travel? How far mean distance you have to find out. Time in a 5 hour. The formula speed is equals to distance upon time. So speed 60 km per hour. Distance D, time 5 hour. 5 से 5 cut. Cross multiply. So 60 into kilometer into 5. D. 300 kilometer distance. Very easy numerical, student. You know the formula speed is the distance upon time. You have to put the value of speed and the time. Yes, and you are able to find out the distance very easily. Now come on the last numerical, 8th one. Given in the book only. First one given, yes, A part, 8th one numerical. You have to tell what type of motion following figure depict. You see there, in 1 second. Up to 2 seconds it cover how much distance? 10 meter. For next 3 seconds it cover 2 meter. For next 4 seconds it cover 20 meter. Mean cover unequal distance in a equal interval of time. Non-uniform motion. Answer is a non-uniform motion. Very easily. If you want to find out speed 10 upon 1. Then from here to here 2 upon 1. Speed always change. Non-uniform motion. Now come on the second one. In 1 second like this. 2 second. In 1 second their speed is 2 meter per second. Then 4 meter per second. Then 3 second. 6 meter per second. 4 second. 8 meter per second. So here you have to know about which type of motion it is. Actually it is a SR. You know speed increases, but increasing to equal amount. So that one is a uniform, increase uniformly. Uniform accelerated motion. Uniform accelerated motion. Now come on the third one is there. Third one you have to see. This numerical you have to do on the book only. Next, 1 second, their speed is the 5 meter per second. In 2 seconds, 5 again. In 3 seconds, again 5. 4 seconds, again 5. There it means speed always same. Initial and final point, so no acceleration is there. That is called uniform velocity. They have the uniform velocity. Keep in mind. They have the uniform motion, but not accelerated motion. Uniform velocity. You can say that uniform velocity. That is a non-uniform you can say that non-uniform, you not can say that, because acceleration is to not there, because final initial velocity is 0, a is equal to v minus u upon t, that also by, the answer come in 0 only. Uniform velocity over here, because the action is also there, that side only. Now come on the last one. Yeah, the last one, B part. First of all, body at 0 second, 100 meter per second. Next 10 second, it was a 80 meter per second. Next one, it was a 20, 60 meter per second. 30, 40 meter per second. Now you have to see there. After every 10 second, 10 is equal, time is there. 20 velocity decreases, applying the brake. Retardation is there. So uniform retardation. Uniform retarded motion. Uniform retardation. It was the uniform retardation. Motion is there. To understand this one, because the velocity decreases at 20 equal amount. Uniform retardation. Now next numerical is the 9th numerical, that was a physics teaches us. See the numerical, that one. Yes. Raghav, a student studying in science in school, approached his teacher and asked him how he would determine the length of second pendulum. Physics teaches us this one. Second pendulum on moon. There are two things are there, one moon and one earth. On moon, teacher explained to him formula. Formula is what? This one. And asked him to use it for moon, where G of moon given 1 by 6th of G of earth. That was a given. Means the gravity on, acceleration due to gravity on moon is 1 by 6th of the acceleration gravity of on the earth. Now we have to see what values are displaced by Raghav. He is attentive and show the interest in science. This was the answer. What are the values displayed by the teacher? He dedicated and has well knowledge in physics. Knowledge of physics. Third one, you have to main numerical is there. What would we have to the length of second pendulum on the moon? We have to find out the length of second pendulum on the moon. How you are able to do this numerical? Yes, see there. First of all, you have to see on earth. Time period on earth. Formula is this one, 2 pi. Length on earth, gravity on earth. Because that time these all are the variables. On moon, because gravity also changed, that's why we have to put GE. In moon we have to put the GM. Time period M, 2 pi under root of LM upon GM. Now you have to take the ratio of this one, 1 and 2. Now you have to take the ratio. Divide 1 and 2. Divide equation 1 and 2. So TE upon TM. 2 pi under root of LP upon GP. 2 pi under root of. You have to do always comparison. Ratio is there. Take the ratio. Sorry, here M. 2 pi cut. Then T. Here we have to solve. TE upon Tm under root, you know, come full under root come LEGE MGM. Now you know this one divide. This one formula is there. Now you know this was the second pendulum. Earth also time period 2 seconds. Moon also time period 2 seconds. Here we have to value of the GM is there 1/6 of GE. First of all put this one. 2 second equal to under root of LEGE. Here you put 1/6 GE. This one, this value you have to put. Now GE cut. This one cut. This was the second, not 5. So 1. LE 6 LM. Squaring both sides. Now you see there. After that I will rub this one. Squaring both sides. Second pendulum is the time period same, but the change in the length. You have to find out the length of second pendulum on the moon. LM you will have to find out. You want to find out. 1 is equal to LE 6LM, then cross multiply. 6LM equal to LE, LM equal to 1/6 of LE. And you know length of the pendulum, second pendulum on earth is 99.4 centimeter. You have to put here 99.4 centimeter. Then you have to solve it. Then you try to solve it. Then you get the answer. So these are the numericals too. These are the numerical, unsolved numerical is there. This is the last part of our chapter. Our chapter now completed. So in next lecture we have to start the revision of 3 chapters. That one bio one, you know, plants and animal tissue, physics one, motion and force. Now already done. We have to start the revision, and chemistry, element, compound and mixture. Thank you.